Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 lifting or jacking with your car and supporting with wooden blocks. This is presented by O&DR, Owen and Dad Repairs. I wanted to work on my XK8 myself. The biggest issue was getting it off the ground. I wanted to be 100% safe and secure, but I didn't have the money or space for a lift. I got some ideas from guys in the USA and the videos of work they'd done servicing gearboxes. This was a simple solution I used. I got lots and lots of 3x3 inch wood and built some blocks to solidly support the wheels. These are locked together with coach bolts. I also purchased a 3-ton trolley jack, low reach and long travel, and fabricated some extensions to allow it to be lifted a little bit higher. This works. Using wooden support blocks is very stable and solid, and you can either put the block under the wheels or under the jacking point. The design of blocks is modular or Lego style, and the blocks interlock with the coach bolts, and you can stack these without any problem up to 3 high. The footprint of the blocks are 15 inch by 20 inch. This is wide enough to hold the wheel completely solid, so it won't move, and there's no need to use chocks. The block heights are 6 inches each, or 150 millimeters. 3 blocks gives you at least 18 inches, or 450 millimeters. This is high enough without being too high that the block can fall over. The blocks are basically stubby, and they're basically almost impossible to push over. To actually jack the car up, there's 2 methods. You can either jack up each corner, remember putting the car into neutral and sliding the blocks under one by one. You can repeat this each wheel, 1 block at a time. The alternative is to actually jack each axle pair. The front axle you actually jack up by the radiator reinforcement, the reinforcement directly under the radiator in the middle, and the rear cross member you jack directly under the diff or the front cross the rear cross member, sorry. And again, you repeat this instead of single pairs of blocks at a time. Normally you can either do either the front or the rear due to access problems in your garage, because you need at least 2 or 3 meters to do that. 1 block is very easy to put under the wheels and gives you lots of access underneath. You can actually crawl underneath very, very easily. In my most recent project, I was trying to access the crankshaft position sensor and the radiator drain plug as part of my changing to metal cam chain tensioners. Three blocks and using the jacking point can give you lots of access to the front and rear cross members. You can do whatever you want. In my case, I've refurbished the front cross member. This height enables you to shove a trolley underneath and drop the front cross member or the rear cross member onto the trolley and slide it out to the side of the car without any trouble. After you finish working with your blocks, the car's back on the ground, the block's size is such that you can store up to 4 off blocks in a generic kitchen cupboard. Thank you. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.